Greetings, car fanatics. This is my 2022 Kia Telluride with 52,000 miles on it. If you've been following the channel, you know I've had a few issues with the car. Now, my major complaint has been with the oil consumption, and ever since I got it from new, it's been consuming about a liter of oil every 1,000 miles. And actually, I realize it's probably not oil consumption, and a lot of it is just oil leakage. So when I first changed the oil on the car, I noticed some oil on this pan over here and on the underbody of the car. And then since recently, when it got cold here in Texas, I noticed more oil leaking. Contacted Kia to get some help. They were willing to make an appointment and take a look at it, but they said I had to leave the car for probably 2 to 5 days for them to diagnose the oil leak, and also they didn't have any loaner vehicles available. This was a really big inconvenience. While the warranty is 100,000 miles, which sounds great, in actuality the service department at Kia just doesn't seem very well equipped to handle these warranty type of issues. So unable to leave the car for 2 to 5 days and be without a vehicle, I decided to try to fix the issue myself. Let's go ahead and take a look under the car and let me show you what's going on. Alright, so this is our oil filter, and as you can see there's oil residue all over it. And when we actually take a look at the oil filter housing, we can see that there's oil coming out in between the oil filter housing and the block, and that oil is getting everywhere. Let's go ahead and take off the oil filter housing and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so we have the plastic oil filter housing removed. You can see here it's just held on by 4 of these 13mm bolts, and the seal over here is what's bad. I replaced the seal for about $15, and fortunately I can confirm this did fix my issue completely. So fortunately I was able to diagnose the leak, and it was just that oil filter housing seal. I think Kia can definitely do a better job providing better service to Kia owners. I probably won't be coming back and buying a Kia just because how bad the service department is. Aside from the engine oil leak issue, the only other issue I really had is with the Nightfall trim, which has completely tarnished off and turned this brown dull color and doesn't look good anymore. So Kia said they would replace it under warranty, but I've been waiting for them to get the parts for probably a year now, and they still haven't called me with new parts to replace it. So again, an example of how Kia has this warranty, but trying to get something covered under warranty can take a lot of time and it can be a big hassle. Well, thanks for watching, Car Fanatics. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.